Top 9 ways a vegan diet can improve your health. A vegan diet may have a positive impact on many parts of one's life. It improves your physical and mental well-being if carried out correctly. Let's know more. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of our amazing videos. Going vegetarian can be a turning point in health improvement. Because of the health benefits this diet contains, we are going to tell you 9 good reasons why a healthy vegan diet is helpful. Number 1. Plant foods are building blocks for your muscles. Amino acids are the building blocks of all proteins. Many people think that amino acids can only be obtained by eating protein, but that's not true. Many plants are also rich in amino acids. All of your body's building blocks will be available to you if you consume a broad range of vegetables. If you are still worried that you're not getting enough, there are excellent organic plant protein powders on the market. Number 2. Heal your muscles with plant foods. You feel euphoric after hard exercise that leaves you with painful muscles. You can be sure that the muscles you targeted function. Although we appreciate the sensation, we don't want the discomfort in our muscles to last too long because of inflammation. This inflammation may be cleared by eating non-acidic meals like complete plant foods instead of inflammatory foods like animal products. In fact, the healthiest foods on earth are those that are made entirely of plants. Water, fiber, and minerals are found in abundance in these foods, which are also low in calories. They include all of the macro and micronutrients you need to heal, repair, and rebuild your body. If you buy organic, you won't have to worry about chemicals and pesticides that might irritate your skin. In addition, products like cholesterol, hormones, and carcinogens are absent from plant foods. Number 3. Energy is abundant in plant-based meals. Plant carbs and natural sugars are great ways to get clean energy for both your workouts and your time recovering afterward. Carbohydrates are important for both fuel and muscle repair because they help restore glycogen levels in the tissue. Your body and mind will suffer if you rely on processed carbs or animal products for fuel. A snack of fruit or grains that gives you energy before a workout could be helpful, and a snack of fruit and plant-based protein after a workout can help your body feel better. Number 4. Eating a vegan diet does not make you fat. It is far easier to digest whole plant meals than animal-based ones. Our digestive systems are designed to ingest plant matter all the way to the end of our intestines. Digesting animal meals takes days, but digesting plant foods just takes hours. After a plant-based meal, you may feel satisfied, but not bloated, making it easier to go back to your normal routine and to feel better. Number 5. Veganism is not a death sentence. It is a way of life. That may seem extreme, but consider this. Even if you don't do anything else, turning vegan means you're feeding your body only good energy. The sun's rays drove the growth of food that sprang and grew from the ground. Attracting live things to ingest it, it thrived and developed magnificent leaves and fruits. The healing energy of plants will flow through you throughout your exercises and daily activities, no matter how hippy-dippy they may seem to you. Any food labeled vegan means it contains no animal products and was not manufactured by injuring, stealing, or exploiting another living being in any way. Because of this, there are many vegan junk food options, such as Oreos, fries, fried vegetables, chips, and processed vegan cheese. So, why go for animal-based foods when you have vegetables available to give you clean energy, and that too, without hurting any animal? Number 6. Good hormone production in the gut. A vegan diet helps keep blood sugar and insulin levels in the body at healthy levels. It also promotes the production of beneficial gut hormones like VGH. In addition, they aid in weight loss by enhancing the sensation of fullness. Because plant-based meals are high in fiber, they may make individuals feel fuller without adding additional calories. For patients with type 2 diabetes or obesity, the idea that simple food choices may increase the release of these beneficial hormones has crucial consequences. Vegan diets have been shown to improve insulin secretion and insulin sensitivity in people with type 2 diabetes. Because of this production of healthy gut hormones, a vegan diet is an excellent choice. Number 7. A vegan's diet is high in vitamins and minerals. If you switch from a typical Western diet to a vegan diet, you will no longer eat meat or animal products. Whole grains, fruits, veggies, and so forth are examples of substitutes in a whole food vegan diet. Since a vegan's diet has more of these things than a typical Western diet, it may be possible to get more of some important nutrients this way. According to a number of research studies, vegan diets have been shown to have higher levels of fiber, antioxidants, and other health-promoting plant elements. Potassium, magnesium, folate, vitamin C, and vitamin E are more abundant in a plant-based diet. There is even some evidence that vegan diets are richer in iron, although the iron present in plants is not as accessible to your body as it is unable to absorb it. Compared to that, iron present in animal-based foods is more readily available in the body. In spite of this, not all vegan diets are the same. Number 8. Veganism has been shown to reduce the risk of some malignancies. The World Health Organization says that you can control 1/3 of all cancers by changing things like what you eat. On the whole, vegans consume far more legumes, fruits, and vegetables than non-vegans. A 2017 study indicated that vegans had a 15% lower chance of acquiring cancer as compared to non-vegans. Consuming beans on a daily basis may reduce your risk of colorectal cancer by 9 to 18%. The National Cancer Institute says that eating more plant-based meals lowers your risk of several types of cancer, including those of the digestive system and lungs. It may also lessen the chance of developing malignancies of the colon, prostate, and pancreas. Also, vegan diets tend to have more soy products, which may help prevent breast cancer in some ways. So, what are you waiting for? Start eating more vegetables for all of these amazing health benefits. Number 9. Lowering your risk of heart disease. A study found that fresh fruits and vegetables, legumes, and fiber are all associated with a decreased risk of heart disease. All of these items may be found in larger quantities in well-planned vegan diets than in the typical Western diet. Vegans have a 7 to 5% lower risk of high blood pressure than non-vegetarians, according to studies. Not only this, vegan diets have been shown to reduce blood sugar, LDL cholesterol, and total cholesterol more effectively than other diets. High blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar levels may lower the risk of heart disease by as much as 46% if they are reduced by this method. So these were all the ways a vegan diet can improve your health. Remember, we're not talking about going totally vegan. If you are a non-vegetarian, it's fine. The benefits described in this video are to help you understand the importance of vegetables. We hope you enjoy the video. If so, hit the like button and share it with your loved ones. If you have any questions or comments, let us know in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more of our amazing videos. You can also watch our other videos suggested just for you. See you in the next video.